Won't you let me know? Oh, 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 where to go? Where to go?
Welcome to gorgeous Langebaan.
Perfect place to spend kayaking, water sports. It's amazing, this lagoon.
It's got lots of birding here. You can see at the back of me, there are thousands of cormorants on the island. So it's a beautiful place, you know, in and out of season to come and spend the day at the beach.
Let's go and explore, guys.
Oh, oh, won't you let me know? Oh, 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 oh.
Let's make our way to the Kuribon and experience a special breakfast with Vallerie.
Where to go?
Bring a breakfast bunch.
We're getting along well. As long as you tell me we're okay, we're okay.
Good students, good students.
Yeah.
And I must just say congratulations to Dion's wife, because he's very well domesticated. I'm impressed.
So what's taking you so long, Dion? Alistair, good food takes time. Yeah, but those beans are going to give you propulsion, my friend. So let's get at it. So, well, it's all done.
Ready?
Yeah, so the name Bunny Chow. I know people say Bunny Chow comes from the name Banya because the Banya was the colloquial name for Indians. But when we look at this, it's gorgeous. So tell me a bit about it.
It's from my hometown, KZN, Port Natal as it was known.
Yeah.
So that's where the bunny chow comes from.
So we're having a lovely cross-pollination of cultures and flavors here in the Weskus. I think let's get at it.
Yes.
Let's get chowing. I have to be out of the kitchen, so now out of quality control. Breakfast of champions. Let's do this.
After that great meal, it's time to drink something. Let's go over to Weskus Coffee.
We're at the Weskus Coffee Roastery. We're here with Greg and we're with Bronwyn. So Bronwyn, this is your dream. Tell us about it.
Thank you, Alistair, and welcome to Weskus Coffee Roastery on the thriving metropolis of Langebaan. We are just on a journey, and we are from KZN and Pietermaritzburg. We love people, we love coffee, and in fact we don't sell coffee in a bag, we sell passion in a bag at Weskus Coffee Roastery.
Ooh, I'm excited.
We're preparing some cappuccinos for you guys. With our coffees, just to share a little bit, at the moment, being in Africa, we offer African blend of African single origin coffees. There's some amazing other coffees out there, but as Weskus Coffee, we do 5 different origins. We do a Malawi, a Tanzania, a Rwanda, a Uganda, and an Ethiopia. And out of those coffees, we rotate them once a week. So when our customers in, they get a different experience. They get the opportunity to taste the different coffees that they then can take off the shelf and enjoy at home as well.
It's now time for culture at the Pumpkin House.
Hello, Hanli, Kim. How do you do?
I'm well,
I'm so pleased to meet you. Look at these, aren't they divine? What are you doing here?
These are my little swimmers. I'm an open water swimmer, so I'm making these little swimmers to sell, and they quite... Yes, I do. I'm part of the Floating Ducks, a local...
Oh, that's a lovely name.
Yes, it's a local group of ladies who swim every day in the lagoon, and we really miss it now. Once a month I offer this space to up-and-coming artists or established artists for a solo exhibition. Yes. So I would like to show you this space as well. This is called the Little Gallery at the Pumpkin House, and here I offer this space for the local artists to have a permanent exhibition here. And also what's really fantastic, especially with the Langebaan Art Route, is that most of the Langebaan Art Route artists' work are also here. So once people come and they say, oh, I really like that, where's this artist from? I could say, please, here's our pamphlet, which also introduces the artists to somebody that might pop in here and wouldn't know about the art route, and then they could continue on that.
Yeah, I think I should go shopping. Bye.
I like to change the world from where I am. If I don't leave this place, I know I just can't. So, oh, 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 won't you let me know? Oh, oh, oh.
So we're here in Saldahna Bay. This is a really gorgeous day, and I'm here with Nico of Blue Ocean Mussels. Nico, what are we looking at here behind us?
So this is a mussel raft, and it's a design that's unique to our industry in Saldahna.
Right.
Okay, Nico, over on my left-hand side, these floats, what are they? What do they represent?
So these are oyster longlines, and what we use the floats to suspend the stacks of oysters that we grow here.
And for the locals, do you offer anything like a tour, any incentives?
We do. We've got a mussel and oyster tour. So we bring the people out to a working mussel and oyster farm. They can get their hands dirty if they wish to put up some oysters, put up some fresh mussels, and then we give them a mussel, oyster, and champagne buffet.
Buffet? Oysters, mussels?
Ooh, I'm loving it. That's how we do it here in Saldahna, baby.
Yes.
I'm excited.
This is what we were waiting for, my friend. Hey, wait, me first.
Okay.
Always you first. Me in this
Okay.
time.
Let's
Right.
do this.
I've got one, you grab yours. So folks, this is how you eat a mussel. So, you know, us men, we love our mussels, you know, number one and number two. So this is, we're gonna open it up a little bit, just like that. We're gonna put him into the broth, just to get a bit of fire in your wire. Take your, look, he's already eating, look at this guy. Okay, so loosen that up a bit.
Good stuff.
Da-da-da-da.
No wonder it is said to be the best.
I'm
And
loving
of
this.
course, putting the shells back into the ocean
Helps the environment,
helps the environment.
just like that.
I gotta go back for the second,
There we go.
and the third, and the fourth.
Too late.
Well, I like to change the world from where I am, but if I don't leave this place, I know I just
So now let's join
can't.
Kim and Nico to see how those gorgeous mussels were prepared. Oh yes.
So Nico, I believe you're going to cook us some mussels today.
So basically, the best way to cook mussels is very simple. Add as little as possible. A lot of people like to add wine and cream and things like that. Fresh mussels, oil, bit of thyme, bit of garlic, onions. Chuck it in there, get it stirring in the oil a bit, and then you add the mussels. Steam it for a couple of minutes when it starts opening, and then you can add your favorite juice just before you serve it. So today we're going to use some orange juice.
Here we have some sea lettuce.
Yeah, uva.
Uva. And he said to me that it's edible as well. So here goes. I've never eaten it before, but I'm going to test it and I'll let you know what it's like. That's actually delicious.
It's like salty cabbage.
Oh, it's like salty cabbage.
So a lot of people find shucking oysters quite daunting. So I've got a little sheet. You use a kitchen scissors
Yeah.
and basically just trim off the yellow edge.
All right.
That's
Okay.
opened up, and you can even use just like any sharp knife, paring knife,
All right, and then you just cut the
cut through the
mussel.
duck mussel.
Yeah, and you lift it. Wow, now that is,
Much
I'm going to
easier.
use that. Fantastic, fabulous. Now I can eat oysters far faster.
Yes.
So we're going to try some oysters. Do I get to try one? Yay, I haven't had oysters
Well,
for
it's got
ages.
some shells on it.
It doesn't matter, I'll chew them.
Want
I
some
do?
Tabasco? Yeah.
I'm
There's
going to
lemon.
do a little
Yeah.
bit of lemon. I love it just with lemon. It's beautiful and fresh. Look at that. Oh, and the seawater still in it. Here goes. Oh,
Best oysters in the world.
I agree with you. That's delicious, guys. You won't like these at all. I think you should just eat the mussels. Ciao.
So we find ourselves back in Cape Town under the iconic Table Mountain. We are here in Table Bay.
Hey, you know what? Here's an interesting fun fact. This is the true Saldahna Bay. Did you know that?
It was named after Antonio de Saldahna, who was born in Spain, but he was sailing under the Portuguese flag.
Absolutely correct. And he was the first known European to climb Table Mountain and named it too.
And apparently he also fought with the Khoisan.
Yeah, but we won that skirmish.
Of course you did.
So our part 2 of our West Coast video is on its way. So like,
Subscribe.
And ring that notification bell.
Ciao.
So subscribe to our channel now. It's free. Mahala. Gratis.
I've been hanging outside these walls now for a day. I love the road and I love the stars always.